channel, and this is me, Aisha. So today we are going to make a super duper easy blooming flower. So let's start. So for that we'll need 3 color papers. I choose blue, red and yellow. And now we need this clear glue for sticking these popsicles and this glue stick. And we need this scissor, two popsicle sticks and 1 pencil and 1 crayon, or you can use any color. And we need these 2 googly eyes and this pipe cleaner and this yellow circle. So let's start making it. So I take this paper and then fold it like this. Once you've done, now take this part and fold it like this. Now take this part and fold it like this. Like this, we're creating the crease for the flower. Now just fold it one more time. Now open it. Once you've done, fold it like this. When you're done, you need to fold. Now we're going to take a pencil and draw a semicircle in it like this. Now take a scissor and cut that part. Once you've cut, so we have to make the same like this from red and yellow. See guys, I've made these 3. So now let's move to the other part. We're going to take this glue then stick it here. We have to make the same. See guys, I've sticked these 3. Now what we're going to do is take 1 popsicle and open 1 petal and stick it like this with the clear glue. Now we're going to stick the clear glue in the popsicles. Now take this one and stick it like this. And now let it dry. Look guys, our flower is ready. So now we are going to decorate it more. We are going to use the glue and stick these googly eyes in the circle. Now we'll apply the lips with the straw cleaner. So now let it dry. Meanwhile, we're making the cheek blush with the crayon. Now see, our smiley is ready. Now we're going to stick this smiley in the center of the flower. See guys, I've stick this smiley in our flower. Now let it dry. Once it's dried, our project is ready. Now see how pretty it's looking. And please subscribe, like the video and hit that notification bell. Bye bye.